Here is now Bobby Bacas, number 28. Sakit. Wow, chicken. Here is for Chidoro. Chidoro to Tampo. Okay. Nice. Here is this time 72. Oh, that's it. Okay. 44-43 is this. Okay. Here is number 28, dedicated to time. Sinico, 6-0. Oh, huh? But what? From evaluation, this is score to Balikwat. 9 minutes, 11 seconds. Kiban, Kuntan, Monchado, Chidoro, and Tampor. Tira sa 3, Tampor, agawa sa rebound. Last touch, save ball. 30 seconds shot clock. Unidos, 30 seconds to shoot. Tampor! Ayun si Kiban. Kiban, bibigay kay Chidoro. May parang tawag ko number 24, if I'm not mistaken. Number 24, that is Pablo. Yes, Pablo. First personal foul, Pablo. And also first team foul of Cabalusan. Yes, that's it. From Chidoro. Number 5. Score now of Unidos is already 46, while 43 for Cabalusan. Bibigay dito kay number 28. Will foul. Counted. Foul jersey number 2. Good time. Third personal foul. Good time. And first team foul of Unidos. One shot. That's it. From number 25. That is Santiago. That's not all 46. All 46. There is some 443 again. No basket. Pablo. And Pablo Campbell. Si Pablo. Laban ng dalawang Cabalusan 48-46. Chidoro against Pablo. There is no top 4 battle by Lizanne. Binigay doon. 8 seconds to shoot. Here is now Balikwat. Balikwat fire. That's it. From Balikwat. Unidos. 7 minutes and 41 seconds is our range on. And the score is 50-46. That is 4-3 of the Cabalusan. We'll write that. There is no Tampo to Chidoro, choice number 5. Bibigyan ng screen. Ayun si Tomas. Wala si Iban. Monchado na ako. That's it. Anim ang lamang ng Cabalusan. 52-46. There is again Tampo. Against by 28. Here it is. Silver and 5 is that Kiban. Rebound ni Tomas again. Ayun. Sa second time round ay pumasok ang tira ni Tomas, number 10. 52-48 still. Apat na rin. Here is okay. Wala sa tamang position si Chidoro to get that pass all the way from is Ambal. Bibigay dito kay another Pablo. Jersey number 0. To Pablo. Shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Tira sa ilalim. Pablo, yes, that's it. From jersey number 0, that is Pablo. 54-48 ang ating score. Eto sa Chidoro, bibigay. Hindi nakuha ng Kiban. Kiban Mayrina. 6 minutes. Remaining time, 54-48. Here is Ambay. Ambay naman kaibigan, and here it is. Oh, walang bad. There is Tomas. Pasa kay Tampor. Ay, counted foul. Si Ambay. 28. Ambay, with 28, that is your first personal foul. Second team fouls, Onides. Balik si Bantang, number 13. To replace another Bantang. Okay. 3 points mula kay Tampo. 54-51 ang aking score. Tatlo na ang lead na panglasan. Here it is now. Sevilla for 3. The basket. Here is Montano to Tampo. Binabatayan ni Bantang si Tampo. 14 seconds shot clock. Here is mutik na and Montano ba yan? Wala. Still, Pablo. Bibigay kay Baligwat. Baligwat, dire-diretso. Tumira. Wala. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Wow, basket front is that Montano. Montano. 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Montano for Montano. Oh! Weird foul from number 10, and that is Tomas. Second personal foul, Thomas, and second team foul. The average shooting is holding foul. 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining time. 54-53, minus 4. Here is what? 2, Bantang, bang! 3 points, Bantang. 57-53 is our score. And that is favor for Cabangosan. Tampor, binigay ka ang Chada. 2. Sidoro, rebound by Kiba, but still, mapupunta sa Cabangosan. Bantang, binigay ka. Here is Kiba, binigay kay Tampor. We have the blocking foul. From jersey number 2, hit in the arm. Sevilla, that is the first personal foul. 3 minutes and 58 seconds, 57-53. Okay, that's it. Last sample. Okay. There is no top. Okay, 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Is there any time? There is no time for Montana. Ay, trouble si Montana nagdulas. Time start. Bang bang. Good ball tayo. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. There is... Hindi kumasang tigalit ang hero. Substitution both team. Tisoy, number 8 is there, and Villanueva, number 15, to replace Sipa. 13 seconds shot clock, 13 seconds to shoot. Monchada, bibigay kay Tudor. 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Yes. There's number 15, Tavia. Wala, rebound by is that Monchada. 2 minutes, 44 seconds, 59-55. Apat, Tampor, tapos. Here is ginagawa. So, recover ball, Tisoy, number 18. Wow, that's it from Ambay. Ay, Balatang. Ambay. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining on. 40 seconds shot clock. Villanueva. Balik kay Tampor for 3. Sino ang Monchada? Villanueva. 158 is balik wala. 1 minute 27. Balik kay Sevilla, Panatang number 13, balikwat. We're holding call from Tampor. Second personal foul. Second personal foul, Tampor, and 3 team fouls on Eagles. Favor, Kabangosan. Tisoy, number 8, ibigay kay Panatang for 3. Siya lakas. Foul number 15. 15. Ambay. First personal foul. Warning for penalty Kabangosan. Tudor. Here is Tudor. Single ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds shot clock. There is now Uy. Ay, basket mula kay number 5 to go. 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining time. Go. 14 seconds shot clock. Sevilla. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala, only 54 seconds remaining time. 52 seconds remaining time to finish the third quarter. Okay, Tomas, maglalabas ng bola para sa Eagles, bibigay kay Guntan. Guntan. And there we go. Monchada. And we'll see. Number 15, Ambay basket. Only 33 seconds remaining time. 63-57 is the score. Is now Guntan. Oh, basket from Guntan. 59-63. Shot clock is off. Only 15 seconds remaining time. Kabangosan, last 10 seconds. Sevilla. Last ball, 5 seconds. And that is the end of our third quarter. And recaps of the score: 65-59 is our score. 6-1 lead of Team Kabangosan. We are back for more.